How you going, guys? It's Luke here from RPM Media. Today I want to talk a little bit about using Facebook marketing and advertising for lead generation. There's 3 reasons every business should be using Facebook ads for lead generation. 1, everyone's on Facebook. What I mean by everyone is, I mean the fact that we've got young people all the way through to old people, so you can target everyone. 2, Facebook targeting is so insane. Facebook allows you to target everyone you can imagine by their demographics, their interests, and so on and so forth. 3, Facebook ads are dirt cheap. I think the minimum spend is $1 a day, so that's a minimum spend. So if you can spend $1 a day and start experimenting with ads, which is pretty cheap. In comparison, LinkedIn is $10 per day minimum. So there are 2 factors that influence the success of a Facebook ad campaign for lead generation. 1, the targeting, and 2, the ad. What I mean by targeting is who you're targeting, and you can choose this in the Facebook by the different audiences and custom audiences and other tools that Facebook offers. That's a whole nother video in itself. But today I want to focus on the ad itself. And what I mean by the ad is, I mean what you're offering in the advertisement. So for example, some businesses offer just for their products. So for say, I want to sell you a swimming pool. That's a very ineffective Facebook ad because people don't really want to buy a swimming pool from a Facebook ad. I recommend that you offer a lead generation in a Facebook ad. What I mean by this is, you might offer a free appraisal for how much the swimming pool will cost, and that's more influential for a customer rather than buying a swimming pool in general. I hope this graph helps a little bit more. So as you can see, the sweet spot's in the middle somewhere. The sweet spot means that it's still quite cheap to get clicks and you get leads. And these leads will obviously turn into sales as time goes on. Hope this helps, guys. Thanks so much. Have a great day.